Once upon a time, in a small town, lived a young boy named Charlie. He was a kind and curious soul, always dreaming of a world filled with endless chocolate. One day, Charlie found a golden ticket hidden in a chocolate bar. Excited, he realized this was his chance to visit Willy Wonka's famous chocolate factory. Charlie's heart raced as he held the golden ticket, knowing that he was one step closer to his dream. He couldn't believe his luck. The next day, Charlie, along with 4 other lucky kids, entered the mysterious factory. Willy Wonka welcomed them with a warm smile, showing them the wonders of his chocolate paradise. Charlie was awestruck by the giant candy canes, the edible wallpaper, and the chocolate river flowing through the factory. He felt like he was in a dream. As the day progressed, the other children started to misbehave, but Charlie remained calm and respectful, always remembering the kindness he showed to everyone. Willy Wonka noticed Charlie's good manners and was impressed. He invited Charlie to help him create a new, delicious chocolate bar, a treat only for the most deserving. In the end, Charlie left the factory with a heart full of joy and a new chocolate bar in his hand. He knew that kindness and patience had brought him a dream come true. That night, as Charlie lay in bed, he couldn't help but smile, knowing that his journey in Willy Wonka's chocolate factory was just the beginning of his magical adventures. The end.